Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the fabulous world of Janhvi Kapoor, one of Bollywood's brightest young stars, and a true fashionista. From glamorous red carpet looks to chic street style, Janhvi's public appearance choices are always on point. So, let's take a closer look at some of her most iconic outfits and the trends she's setting. At award functions and high-profile events, Janhvi favors elegant gowns. She has been spotted in creations by international designers like Ralph and Russo, as well as Indian designers like Falguni Shane Peacock. These gowns often feature intricate beadwork, sequins, and flattering silhouettes. For more casual yet stylish appearances, the beauty chooses co-ord sets and jumpsuits. Brands like Zimmermann and Self Portrait offer her the perfect blend of comfort and style. Her off-duty looks often include denim jeans, crop tops, and casual dressers. Brands like Zara, H&M, and Forever 21 are part of her casual wardrobe, highlighting her relatable and down-to-earth style. Frequently photographed post-gym sessions, her athleisure wardrobe includes brands like Nike, Adidas, and Puma. She pairs leggings and sports bras with trendy sneakers, maintaining a balance between comfort and fashion. She has been seen in avant-garde designs by designers like Gauri and Nainika and Amit Agarwal, who are known for their innovative and modern takes on fashion. On the red carpet, the actress often makes a statement with dresses that feature unique cuts, high slits, or dramatic trains. She has donned outfits by designers like Alexander McQueen and Elie Saab, exuding confidence and sophistication. The actress complements her outfits with carefully selected jewelry pieces. Whether it's traditional Indian jewelry for ethnic wear or minimalist pieces for contemporary outfits, her accessory choices enhance her overall look. Her collection of designer bags and shoes, including brands like Louis Vuitton and Christian Louboutin, often adds a touch of luxury to her ensembles. For red carpet events, the actress favors gowns with dramatic elements like voluminous skirts, asymmetrical hemlines, and intricate lace detailing. Designers like Zaher Murad and Manchester offer her a blend of glamour and sophistication. She also embraces minimalist gowns, opting for sleek lines, monochromatic palettes, and subtle embellishments. These choices underscore her ability to make a statement with understated elegance. Her co-ord sets and jumpsuits often feature playful prints, tailored cuts, and vibrant colors. Brands like Masaba Gupta and Saksha and Kinni offer her outfits that balance comfort with high fashion. She pairs these outfits with trendy accessories such as oversized sunglasses, statement earrings, and designer handbags, enhancing the overall look. Her street style includes a mix of high street fashion and luxury brands. She often pairs affordable pieces with high-end accessories, creating a balanced and relatable look. Denim is a staple in her casual wardrobe. She styles denim jackets, jeans, and skirts with casual tees, crop tops, and stylish blouses, creating effortlessly chic outfits. Her athleisure looks are both trendy and functional, featuring brands like Lululemon and Gymshark. She often pairs leggings with crop tops or sports bras, layering with stylish jackets or hoodies. Sneakers are a key part of her athleisure style. She owns a collection of trendy sneakers from brands like Balenciaga and Yeezy, which add a fashionable edge to her gym outfits. The actress experiments with bold prints like animal motifs, geometric patterns, and abstract designs. She often incorporates these prints in dresses, blouses, and co-ord sets, showcasing her adventurous fashion sense. Janhvi isn't afraid to mix different textures and fabrics, combining elements like lace, leather, and silk to create unique and eye-catching ensembles. The actress has worn designs featuring futuristic elements such as metallic finishes, structured silhouettes, and 3D embellishments. Designers like Amit Agarwal and Gaurav Gupta provide her with avant-garde outfits that push the fashion envelope. The actress often wears high-fashion dresses that feature dramatic elements like high slits, elaborate ruffles, and floor-length trains. Her choices from designers like Elie Saab and Alexander McQueen are always show-stopping. She plays with a range of colors and textures, from bold reds and blacks to shimmering sequins and delicate lace, ensuring her red carpet appearances are memorable. Her red carpet gowns often feature intricate embellishments such as sequins, beads, and embroidery. For example, she has been seen in Falguni Shane Peacock gowns that are heavily adorned with sparkling details, creating a dazzling effect under the lights. She experiments with various silhouettes, from mermaid and A-line to ball gowns. Each silhouette is chosen to enhance her figure and make a dramatic statement. Her Ralph and Russo mermaid gown with a sweetheart neckline is a perfect example of her understanding of how to play with different shapes to highlight her assets. The actress often opts for gowns with high slits that add a touch of sultriness to her look. Additionally, gowns with long, flowing trains create a sense of grandeur and elegance, such as her appearances in gowns by designers like Michael Cinco. She favors bold colors like red, black, and metallics, which ensure she stands out. However, she also embraces softer shades like pastels and whites when she wants to exude a more ethereal or romantic vibe. She has been seen in outfits featuring materials like latex, neoprene, and structured silks, which lend a futuristic edge to her look. Designers like Iris Van Herpen, known for their avant-garde approach, are among her choices for such bold statements. Her wardrobe often includes pieces with architectural silhouettes, featuring sharp cuts, exaggerated shoulders, and sculptural elements. These designs, such as those by Stéphane Rolland, make her look like a walking piece of art. She is adept at mixing different prints and patterns within a single outfit. Janhvi might pair a floral print top with a polka dot skirt or wear a dress that combines geometric patterns with abstract prints. This fearless approach to fashion showcases her playful and experimental side. A staple in her casual wardrobe, the beauty often layers denim jackets over her outfits. These jackets come in various styles, including distressed, oversized, and cropped, allowing her to create different looks with a single piece. Her off-duty style frequently includes graphic tees and classic white sneakers. Brands like Adidas, Converse, and Nike feature prominently in her casual footwear collection, providing comfort while keeping her style on point. The actress favors light, breezy summer dresses in floral prints, pastel shades, and lightweight fabrics like cotton and linen. These dresses are perfect for her casual outings and often paired with simple sandals or espadrilles. She layers casual dresses with stylish accessories like crossbody bags, chunky belts, and oversized sunglasses. This layering adds depth to her outfits and showcases her knack for effortless styling. The actress often uses statement earrings to elevate her outfits. These range from large hoops and chandeliers to intricate jhumkas and modern geometric designs, adding a touch of glamour to her look. She seamlessly transitions between traditional Indian jewelry and contemporary pieces, depending on her outfit. Her ability to mix and match different styles of jewelry highlights her versatile fashion sense. Her handbag collection is enviable, featuring pieces from luxury brands like Chanel, Gucci, and Prada. These bags often serve as statement pieces that complement her outfits. For evening events, she opts for elegant clutches adorned with crystals, pearls, or intricate beadwork. These clutches, from brands like Judith Leiber, add a touch of sophistication to her evening looks. Her collection of heels includes classic pumps, strappy sandals, and embellished stilettos from designers like Jimmy Choo, Christian Louboutin, and Manolo Blahnik. These heels add height and elegance to her outfits, making them perfect for formal events. She selects heels that not only match her outfits but also make a statement on their own. Metallic finishes, bold colors, and unique designs are common features in her heel choices. For casual outings, the actress often opts for stylish flats and sandals. Which of her looks is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.